In today's video, I will be showing you how to remove the covers of your PS5 so that you may get inside and clean it. Now, first we're going to want to put it on a nice towel. Then we're going to want to remove the power outlet or cord and the HDMI cord. Now, next we're going to see where the PS logo is. We're going to go ahead and flip it around. Let's call this the front, and we're going to go ahead and flip it upside down. Now we're going to start from the front side and pull the small piece off first. So go ahead and lift directly up, and it will pop off like that. All right, so next we're going to do the same thing on this side, and just go ahead and make sure to gently pull, and it will pop off. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and flip it around now. So you're also going to want to have the front again on that side, and we're going to go ahead and start with the small piece, and we're going to go ahead and pull, and it will pop off like that. And next we're going to go ahead and pull here, and it will pop off. Now, to put it back on, make sure that you hook. So insert the plastic hooks into the rectangular slots here. This side, just like how we popped it off this way, we're going to want to go ahead and hook it in and then push it down like that until you hear the pop sound. And to put this back in, we're going to go ahead and hook it in. Oops. Right there. And we're going to go ahead and pop it back in. Now you might need to adjust it, and then once you hear that sound and everything aligns, then it will be all good. So go ahead and flip it around, and then if you want to put this piece back in, make sure that this is the front. So go ahead and align that. We're going to go ahead and hook it in on the bottom here, and then go ahead and pop it in. Okay, and now it's hard. It was just kind of hard to see because I'm doing from the top and looking at the camera. But same thing here. We're gonna go ahead and hook it in on the bottom, and then we're gonna go ahead and make sure, and then pop it back in. So you might have to tinker with it a little bit and get low. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now it is, oops. Okay, so now it is now popped in, and we are good. No, we're not. And okay, now it's popped in, and we're good to go. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. See you next time.